Imagine creating life not from eggs, not from sperm, but entirely from stem cells. American scientists have just achieved one of the most groundbreaking discoveries in modern biology: synthetic human embryos created without any parental DNA. And this breakthrough may completely rewrite the future of medicine, organ farming, and even species revival. Welcome back to the channel. Today we explore a discovery that could reshape how life begins and how life can be restored. Number 1. What are synthetic embryos? Instead of starting with fertilized cells, researchers used stem cells that naturally self-organized into structures that behave like early human embryos. These synthetic embryos begin forming tissue layers, early brain structures, primitive heartbeats. All of this without sperm, eggs, or traditional conception. This is not science fiction, it's happening right now. Number 2. Why this discovery matters for human health. One of the biggest goals of synthetic embryos is organ generation. Scientists believe that in the future we could grow human-compatible hearts, livers, kidneys, all customized for individual patients. This could eliminate long donor waiting lists and reduce organ rejection risks forever. This breakthrough could save millions of lives. Number 3. Could we really bring back extinct species? Yes, scientists say this technology could be used to help revive the woolly mammoth, the dodo, and other extinct species. By combining preserved DNA with synthetic embryonic development, we could recreate species once lost to history. What once sounded like Jurassic Park fantasy is now entering real scientific possibility. Number 4. Ethical questions we cannot ignore. With such power comes serious ethical concerns. Do synthetic embryos have rights? When does life actually begin? How far should humans go in redesigning biology? Global debates will intensify as the technology advances. Number 5. The future of synthetic life. From healing the sick to growing replacement organs to reversing extinction, this discovery marks a rewrite of nature's blueprint. We are entering a new era where biology becomes programmable. Note: for more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.